In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove policy links from the checkout page in Shopify while still keeping your policies accessible on your store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage products, orders, and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the bottom left-hand corner and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps all the configuration options for your store. Inside Settings, find and click on Policies. Depending on your version of Shopify, this might appear under Legal or a similar label. This section holds the built-in policy fields that Shopify automatically connects to your checkout page, such as your refund policy, privacy policy, and terms of service. Now, click on one of the policies that's currently set up. For example, your refund policy. You'll see a text editor with all the content of that policy. Select all the text in this box and copy it. This is important because we want to keep the policy text, just not in this automatic checkout location. Once you've copied the text somewhere safe, delete the content from the policy field so that it's empty, and then click Save. When the policy field is blank, Shopify will no longer show that policy link on the checkout page. Next, we'll recreate this policy as a regular page on your store. Click on Home to go back to the main admin screen. Then click on Online Store in the left-hand menu. Under Online Store, select Pages. This is where all your standard site pages live, like About or Contact. Click on Add Page. In the title field, type the name of your policy, such as Refund Policy or Privacy Policy. In the Content area, paste the policy text you copied earlier. This way, the policy is still available to your visitors, but now it's just a normal page instead of a built-in legal policy. In the visibility section, make sure the page is set to visible so customers can access it, then click Save. Now let's add this new policy page to your main menu so people can easily find it. From the Shopify admin, click on Content, then choose Menus. Open your main menu, which controls the primary navigation of your site. Click on Add Menu Item. In the Label field, type the name of the policy you just created. Click into the Link field, choose Pages, and then select the policy page you created. Click Add, then Save. You can repeat the same process for your other policies, moving all of them off the checkout and into your navigation while keeping everything clear and accessible for your customers.